Okay, so they're telling me now they're giving us definitions of triangle types, right? Scalene, equilateral, all these different types. So I put in your exam one notes again. Here it is again. This is right fresh from your exam number one notes that I emailed to you and put at the top of the unit one module to help you. So different kinds of triangles. Equilateral triangle has three equal sides. Oh yeah, let me add to it. You can also say equiangular triangle. Equiangular, same thing. It's just three, well, three equal angles. It's the same thing. An equilateral triangle has three equal sides and three equal angles. You can call it by either name, equiangular or equilateral. It's the same thing. Three equal angles, three equal sides, everything's equal. Isosceles triangle has two equal sides. Scalene triangle, all three sides are different. Acute triangle, remember acute angles are less than 90. Back up here for our definition. Acute angles are less than 90. So an acute triangle has all his angles less than 90, whereas a right triangle, you see that has one angle that's 90. You know that, I think. And then an obtuse triangle has one angle more than 90. So that angle right there, remember, because that was the definition of obtuse. Obtuse angle is like this one here, more than 90. So an obtuse triangle has one angle that's bigger than 90 degrees. All right, so with that in mind, let's go to it. A right triangle, 190 degree angle, so that's F for me anyway. It's going to mix it up for each one of you. Scalene, none of the sides are, oh, congruent. What's the word congruent mean? Congruent is a fancy geometry word for equal length. So congruent is a fancy word for equal. So when it says none of the sides are congruent, none of the sides are equal, that's scalene. All the sides are different. Equiangular, we know what that means. All the angles are congruent, equal. There's that fancy word, congruent, which means equal. Acute, all the angles are less than 90. Isosceles, that's the two. Two sides are congruent, two sides are equal. Obtuse, one angle more than 90. And equilateral, all the sides are congruent, equal. For me, that's D. There we go.